Okay, it's Luxury Fred, and have I got something cool for you guys today. So guess where I am? First, look where I am. See where I am? Like physically right now. I'm on a full-size basketball court. And if you can see the buildings behind me, I'm on a full-size basketball court in the middle of downtown Los Angeles. See the Orpheum Theater sign there? So this is an amenity that you get when you stay at a place called Level. Let me swing around and show you. That building over there is Level. Now Level is a furnished luxury apartment building here in DTLA, downtown LA, that in addition to being a place where people live, also rents 1 and 2 bedroom amazing loft suites by the night like a hotel. And they have a 24-hour desk and a concierge service and all kinds of stuff, valet parking, and everything that you would need in a luxury hotel. And for the price of like a basic room at the Ritz-Carlton, which is a couple blocks away, you get an enormous 1-bedroom suite with your own full kitchen and a washer and dryer and every amenity of a luxury hotel except room service. So this basketball court is one of the amenities that you get when you stay here. It's available 24 hours a day. It's lighted. They even have a rack of basketballs over there. And because we're only a couple blocks from the Staples Center, I've heard that some of the Lakers live here, some of the Lakers coaches live here, some of the visiting players when they play the Lakers might stay here. So there's a lot of NBA guys, and again, you have a full-size basketball court that's available to you 24 hours a day. Now that's an amazing hotel amenity. Okay, so this is the club level and lots of fun stuff up here. First thing is this is a luxury hotel or luxury apartment building that comes with its own movie theater. They have regular outdoor rooftop screenings here, and you can see it's kind of a nice setup with the chairs and the screen over there, and all kinds of old movies and new movies, and really a cool amenity. And again, it's cool if you stay here, you can invite a couple guests to come watch the movie with you. And this is great. It's all things that you don't get just in a regular luxury hotel, because it's a community. You have people that live here all the time, so they have to provide stuff for them to do. This has kind of a pathway that goes all the way around the building. You might call it an outdoor jogging track, again, here in downtown LA. And let me show you the other goodies that you have up here. Okay, so continuing on the tour, we have a steam room on this side, and then on the other side, we have a sauna. And then let me show you what's over here. So we have this outdoor lounge area with a Christmas tree for the season. There's a fire pit over there, or a big couple of fire pits over there. And then outside here we have a ping pong table. We have kind of a outdoor lounge area. And then look at this, we have a full basketball court here, like a full basketball court with basketballs ready to go. we finish up with the pool and pool deck and jacuzzi. Again, rivals any luxury hotel you want to go to. The only thing you don't have here, you don't have waiters bringing you stuff. You don't have poolside servers and things like that. So you need to bring your own food, but other than that, you have every amenity that you would have at a luxury hotel. And you can see that you are truly in downtown LA under the shadow of the Orpheum sign, which is one of the old theaters on Broadway there. And you're right under the, it's called the Eastern Columbia building over there, which is where I believe Johnny Depp owns the penthouse. So again, great pool and pool deck out here at Level, downtown LA. Okay, so let me show you the other amenities that you have here on the club floor. Have full locker room, and then let's see if anyone's in here. Have a full fitness center and gym, looking out onto the street there. You know, with the boxing stuff and all kinds of equipment. You can see. So full fitness center. You know, and they have amenities, towels, water, things like that. There's full locker and changing rooms over there. And you can see this is another part of the fitness center, all kinds of fancy machines, Peloton classes, or whatever that is. Okay. And then a couple other things to show you. So we go down here. So we have a few these lounge rooms. Actually, let me show you there. Okay, so in here, this is kind of the lounge area, and you're able to So that's a lounge area where you can work during the day, and then it's also kind of an event and a party space where you can have parties. They also have some meeting and conference rooms as well. But the lounge is a cool amenity because, again, that's where you can reserve the space and you can have parties. One of my favorite features here at Level is they have this big doggy park. You see our doggy loves coming down here. And you got a little lawn area, some little obstacles and stuff like that for them to play on. Fenced in, some water here. And actually there's a water fountain over there for the doggies. And it's open 24 hours, it's lit. You got a light switch over there you can turn on, a little bench you can sit. But what we really like about this outside area is part of it is this long alleyway, so we can play catch with the doggy. Fenced in completely at the other end as well. Come on, come on, come on! Come here. Look at the ball. You can see. It's just perfect for playing fetch. Come here. Yay. And here's a look again at just part of the outdoor recreation area. So you can see the basketball court. There's the pool and the spa over there. Ping pong tables, kind of fire pits, kind of an outdoor patio, hangout, dining, picnic area. You can actually see the dog run between the buildings there. And what else? Oh, that's the screen for the movie theater, and that's the lawn there is where they set up the seats for the movie theater. So you can see that you have a really great array of amenities here. Oh, there's a barbecue down there. And then inside there's a full fitness center and a sauna and a steam room and all kinds of stuff. Right in the heart of DTLA. Level, furnished living. See?